stock number 41702G. It's a 2015 Subaru WRX. You see the headlights look good, fog light looks good. The bumper has some paint problems right there. Headlight looks good, fog lights look good. Grill looks good. The hood looks good. Passenger fender has a dent. Little dent right there. Passenger door has a few dents. Side view mirror has a scratch on it. This back door's no good. Quarter panel's no good. Tail light looks good. Rear bumper looks good. Deck lid looks good. Both tail lights look good. This quarter panel's got a dent, a parking lot ding right there. Back door looks good. Driver door's got little paint problems. Side view mirror's got some scratches on it. Front fender looks good. It does have a key. Seatbelt's good. It does have a sunroof. This seatbelt's good. This seatbelt's good. This seatbelt's good. This is stock number 41702G. It's a 2015 Subaru WRX. It does have a key.